It's knowing that your door is always open and your path's free to walk. That makes me tend to leave my sleeping bag rolled up and stashed behind your couch. It's knowing I'm not shackled by forgotten words or bones, some ink stains that have dried up on some line. That keeps you on the back roads by the rivers of my memory, keeps you ever gentle on my mind. It's not clinging to the rocks and ivy planted on the columns now that binds me, or something that somebody said 'cause I thought we fit together walking. It's knowing that your world will not be cursing or forgiven when I walk along some railroad track and find that you're waving from the back roads by the rivers of my memory, ever smiling, ever gentle on my mind. And though the wheat fields and the clotheslines and the junkyards and the highways come between us, some other woman crying to her mother 'cause she turned and I was gone, I still run in silence, tears of joy might stain my face, and the summer sun might burn me till I'm blind. But not to where I cannot see you walking on the back roads by the rivers flowing gentle on my mind. I dip my cup of soup back from the gurgling, crackling cardam in some train yard. My beard a rough and coal pile and a dirty head pool low across my face. Through cup tans and around tin can, I pretend to hold you to my breast and find that you're waving from the back roads by the rivers of my memory. I'm going where the weather suits my clothes, banking over the northeast winds, sailing on summer breeze, skipping over the ocean like a stone. Wow, 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 wow. Hey, hey. Wow, 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 wow. I'm going where the sun keeps shining through the pouring rain. I'm going where the weather suits my clothes, banking over the northeast winds, sailing on summer breeze, skipping over the ocean like a stone. Everybody's talking at me, I can't hear a word they're saying, only the echoes of their minds. And I won't let you leave my love behind, and I won't let you leave my love behind, and I won't let you leave my love behind.